Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best carports that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Shinteni 12-foot by 20 heavy-duty portable garage. This carport stands out for its spacious design and versatile features. With detachable side walls and roll-up windows, it provides plenty of ventilation and flexibility, making it suitable for a wide variety of uses, from parking your vehicle to hosting outdoor events. The galvanized steel frame with a 0.8 mm wall thickness ensures stability, while the 3-layer polyethylene canopy protects against UV rays and water. However, the Shinteni carport does come with some drawbacks. It's not recommended for extreme weather conditions, so if you're in an area with heavy snow or high winds, you'll need to disassemble it temporarily. Assembly is straightforward with labeled components, but the process will require 2 to 3 people and a good chunk of time due to its size. At 125.4 pounds, it's one of the heavier options, which adds to its stability but makes portability less convenient. Overall, this carport is best for those looking for a large and flexible shelter solution. It's perfect for protecting vehicles, boats, or even hosting outdoor gatherings, but you'll need to ensure weather conditions are favorable before setting it up. At number 4, we have the Hippocute 10 by 20 foot portable garage. This carport is designed with convenience in mind, featuring sidewalls, front and rear doors, and a durable 180G fabric that's both waterproof and UV resistant. Its robust frame, constructed from 0.8 mm thick alloy steel pipes, makes it a reliable option for safeguarding your vehicles from rain and sunlight. The included illustrated instruction manual ensures a quick and hassle-free assembly process, making it user-friendly for anyone. On the downside, this carport's customer rating is slightly lower at 3.3 stars, with some users noting concerns about its long-term durability in strong winds. Additionally, at 124 pounds, it's hefty and may not be the easiest to move once assembled. Still, its spacious design and enhanced protection make it a solid choice for temporary storage or outdoor gatherings. This Hippocute carport is ideal for those seeking a versatile and protective shelter. Whether you need it for a truck, boat, or even as a workspace, its ample dimensions and included sidewalls offer plenty of coverage. Just be cautious if you're in an area prone to extreme weather. At number 3, we have the Callhack 10 by 20 heavy-duty replacement cover. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to upgrade or replace their existing carport cover. Made from industrial-grade 800D Oxford fabric, this cover is waterproof, UV-resistant, and designed to last through various weather conditions. Its extended edges and leg skirt design provide additional protection for the carport frame, ensuring a snug and secure fit. That said, this product is only a replacement cover, meaning you'll need an existing frame to use it. At just 14.17 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, but it lacks the structural support of a complete carport kit. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the included ball bungees, which makes securing the tarp to your frame a breeze. This Callhack cover is a fantastic option for those on a budget who already own a compatible frame. It's well suited for protecting vehicles in moderate weather and can also be used for shading outdoor spaces. Just keep in mind that it's not a full carport package and requires an existing structure to work. Coming in at number 2 is the Garvey Life 12 by 25 feet metal carport. This all-metal carport is built to last, featuring a reinforced frame with 19-gauge steel poles and a 27-gauge steel roof. Its angled roof design enhances load-bearing capacity, while the triple rust-resistant coating ensures it withstands the elements for years to come. Measuring 12 feet wide and 25 feet long, this carport is spacious enough for full-sized pickup trucks, tractors, or even bass boats. However, its assembly process is more demanding than other options on this list. You'll need at least 3 people, along with electric drills and ladders to set it up, and the process can take 6 to 8 hours. Additionally, the carport comes in multiple packages, which may not arrive all at once, potentially causing delays. This Garvey Life carport is an excellent choice for those seeking a permanent and durable shelter. While the assembly process is intensive, the result is a robust and reliable structure that can handle all weather conditions. It's perfect for homeowners with larger vehicles or those who need a sturdy outdoor workspace. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kabi 10x20 Heavy-Duty Car Canopy Garage 2.0. This carport earns the top spot for its balance of durability, versatility, and ease of use. Featuring a rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame and 8 solid legs, it offers enhanced stability and safety. The upgraded PE fabric is waterproof, UV-resistant, and tear-resistant, making it a reliable option for cars, trucks, boats, and outdoor events. One of the standout features of the Kabi carport is its sidewall-less design, which allows for excellent ventilation and easy access from any direction. Setting up this carport is a breeze, taking just under an hour with 2 people, thanks to the detailed manual and protective packaging. At 99 pounds, it's lightweight enough to be portable, but sturdy enough to withstand seasonal elements when properly secured. The Kabi carport is a fantastic all-rounder, offering reliable protection and versatility for a variety of uses. Whether you need a car shelter, outdoor workspace, or event canopy, this model has you covered. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a dependable carport. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.